I'm about to show you how to make everybody's favorite Indian dish, Chicken Tikka Masala. This is going to be easy. I've got a pound of skinless, boneless chicken thighs, and I'm going to cut them into pieces. And in a bowl, I'm going to put in some plain yogurt. And to that, I'm going to add my seasoning mix, which is going to be garlic powder, dried ginger, turmeric, cumin, salt, some Kashmiri chili powder, coriander, cardamom, cinnamon, and some habanero powder. And then once I've got that in there, I'm going to mix this all together. And I'm going to then place it in the refrigerator for at least 1 hour up to a day. After it's been marinated, I'm then going to put it on skewers and put it on the grill. If you don't want to use the grill, you can fry it. You can put it in the oven however you want to do it. I just like the grill taste better. Then I'm going to get started on my sauce, which I'm going to add some butter and my seasonings to the skillet. And that seasoning is going to be basically the same with the addition of some onion powder. And I'm just going to stir this up until it becomes fragrant. And that takes about maybe 30 seconds or so before you can really start to smell it and the flavors open up. And then I'm going to add some tomato puree to that, and not tomato sauce, because tomato sauce has some seasoning. So I'm just going to go with the tomato puree. And after I've got my tomato puree added and mixed in, I'm going to add in about a tablespoon of sugar and mix in my sugar to that. And I'm just going to simmer it for about 10 minutes until it becomes just a little bit darker. And then I'm going to add in some heavy cream. The heavy cream is going to add some richness to the sauce. And I'm just going to stir this up until it becomes all well mixed. And once I've got it all mixed in, I'm then going to add in my cut chicken pieces that I put on the grill. So after I've got the chicken added, I'm going to just stir that up to mix it in. And then I'm going to cover and simmer for about 10 to 15 minutes. And then once I've got it simmered, it's done. I'm then going to plate. And I've got some basmati rice that I've added some chopped cilantro to. And I'm just going to plate my chicken tikka masala on the side of that. And I'm going to add some chopped cilantro to the top of that. And once that's done, you've got an easy, delicious chicken tikka masala that you no longer have to go to a restaurant to get.